The fishery, I mean, I would have liked to see further and better particulars about this claim of
because he's now in acting capacity as the Chief Justice.
Yes.
In the event that the suspended Chief Justice is removed,
yes,
he may likely continue as a substantive Chief Justice. And so a case before him,
yes,
which borders on the suspended Chief Justice, and he had a decision to make for the position taken by the former Attorney General. He had compromised himself.
Okay, that's...
And that matter was dismissed unanimously anyway.
Well, look at that. That's why I say, let's put pretense aside. And I'm telling you, this country, if we are not able to exercise political poison from our governance system, we'll continue to suffer. Now, let's wait a minute. Before her suspension, when this challenge came, I mean, when the process was commenced for her removal, Alfred Dame and others brought suits, Junction. Who empaneled?
The suspended Chief Justice.
She had no interest in her own matter?
But she was not on the panel.
No, but, I mean, look, empaneling involves picking and choosing.
Who to sit?
Yes. And you think she had no interest in that? Huh? Of course, there have been some decisions saying that the Chief Justice is the only person who can panel her, nobody if she's around. With hindsight, I think that those decisions have to be looked at again.
The paneling?
No, the fact that so long as the Chief Justice is in office, he or she must do the empanelment. Must be looked at again. Because, yes, they quote the provision that makes her the head of administration in the judiciary. But they overlook the introductory was subject to the provisions of this Constitution.
Right.
It's not just you are the head of administration. And even if that subject were not there, it would be implied because, as I said, Article 1 and so forth, all powers are to be exercised in the interest and for the welfare of the people.